Welcome to the Ferganized YouTube channel. We're enjoying life to the fullest here through travel and music. Nothing can beat that. I'm on an adventure with my wife Nadine and our four-legged travel agent Juno. We're a music-making, globe-trotting trio on a mission to find the world's weirdest and most wonderful places. Expect adventure, maybe a few questionable decisions, and definitely a lot of laughs as we explore local gems, national treasures, and international destinations. Ready to join this family of chaos? Subscribe and ring that bell, or we'll send Juno after you. Alright folks, this is the big day. We're boarding our cruise ship and setting sail for Roatán, Honduras with some exciting stops along the way. But first, coffee. We took a peaceful walk into town to find breakfast, and on the way I couldn't help but admire Galveston's charming streets lined with century-old Victorian homes. Some were in pristine shape and others looked like they'd seen better days, but still had people living in them. If you could snag one of these historic gems, it'd make an incredible Airbnb, especially with all the cruise traffic coming through. And towering above it all, one Moody Plaza, Galveston's tallest building, completed in 1972. Then, we found it. Coffee Heaven, MOD Coffeehouse, or MOD Coffeehouse. Nestled in a lush outdoor patio wrapped in vines, it's a peaceful shaded retreat. Inside, it's cozy with exposed brick walls, local art lining every corner, some of it even for sale. Perfect spot to fuel up for the day. After breakfast, we let the parents chill while we did a little exploring of our own. Around every corner, something new. Murals, funky boutiques, vintage shops, old school bars, art galleries, souvenir shops. Galveston's got character. One standout stop, St. Mary's Cathedral. Its cornerstone was laid in 1847, and it was built by immigrant laborers from England, Ireland, and Germany. This church has stood firm through major hurricanes, including the infamous 1900 storm and Hurricane Ike in 2008. In 1979, Pope St. John Paul II even elevated it to the rank of minor basilica. Then there's the Old Cellar Bar, once a live music hotspot, where legends like Dusty Hill and Frank Beard of ZZ Top played. And even George Carlin cracked jokes there. But here's where it gets wild. Jack Ruby, yes, the man who shot Lee Harvey Oswald, was a regular. The Secret Service agents were spotted here the night before JFK was assassinated. Conspiracy theories, anyone? After a quick round of sightseeing, we hustled back to our Airbnb, caught an Uber, and officially began our adventure aboard Carnival's Jubilee. Next Friday, I'll show you our exclusive Havana stateroom, plus the private Havana bar and pool area. So be sure to follow and click that bell to stay updated. Ferganized, signing off. Bye for now.